Hello Divi members, my name is Lash Glati and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can edit the Curex Divi child theme. So this will be a documentation video and I will go step by step and show you how you can edit the whole Divi child theme, okay? So as you can see on my screen, this is the Curex Divi child theme. And let me just first thing first. So first is our header, and to edit the header you just have to click on this dashboard, and once you are in the dashboard you just have to hover over to this Divi and then you have to click on this theme builder. And once you click on this theme builder you will see some stuff over here, and what you have to do is you have to click on this pencil which says global header, and once you click on this will open the two headers actually. One is for desktop and another is for the mobile, okay? And you have to edit both of them to make the changes for mobile and the desktop as well. Okay, now this is desktop, so this section and this section and this section is for desktop, and this single section is for the mobile and tablet version, okay? Now for example you have to edit this logo, so you just have to hover over it and it says module settings, so you just have to click on this, then you have to click on this image and you can upload the logo from the media library or you can upload from your system. Okay, now once you are done, if you want to change the URL of this logo, then this is the link and this is the image link, you can change from here. Now this front slash means the home page, and if you want to put link of some different page, so you can just do it from here, okay? And it says in the same window or in the new window, so you can choose that, okay? Now the next thing is this call module which says call us 24/7. So if you want to edit this, you can just do it from here. This is the phone number, and the link of the phone number is over here. So, you must have to change this, so someone clicks on it, then it will take to this phone number, okay? Now the next section, the next module is the email module. So it says email us, same thing over here, and the link says curex@2geeks.com, so make sure to change this one as well. Okay, this is the normal text, so you should know about this. This is the normal text module, you can change it from yourself. And this is the social module. You just have to click on this, and then this is the Facebook. Go to the link and you just have to put the link over here, okay? And same thing for everything. Now second one is Twitter, so this one must be Twitter, and then the third one is the LinkedIn, fourth is Instagram, and fifth is YouTube, okay? Now you can change all of them. Okay, now this is the just a all black text button, but it seems like a button, but it's actually a text module. So you just have to hover over it and then choose the module settings, and then here is the link for that button, and text is over here obviously. Okay, now next thing is the primary menu. So primary menu is over here. You can if you want, you can change the menu from this drop down, but there is just one menu right now. But if you want, you can create another menu from the appearance menu in the dashboard. I hope you know about that, okay? Now you don't have to put logo over here because already we are having this logo in the image format, okay? Now if you want to add the search icon, you just have to enable it. If you want to show the shopping cart icon, then you just have to enable this one, okay? Now let's disable this for now. Now this is the search module. So for placeholder text, for example, blah 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 blah, so it will show over here. Now for example you can write a search for blog, search for blog okay, now something like that. Okay, now elements, show button, yes, obviously. If we don't show, then people won't be able to search, okay? Now this is for the mobile, so you must have to be in the tablet version to see it properly. And okay, now this is the tablet version, but if you want to change, you can do it from here as well, like in the desktop mode as well, okay? Let me just show you that there is a code module as well, so make sure you don't delete this one, because this have the nested feature like nested menu. Let me tell you what is nested menu. Once you're in the tablet version or the mobile version, you just if you click on this, you will see not able to go. Okay, let me just quit this and I will show you what is the nested menu. Okay, so I think I have covered all the settings in the header part. So let me just save it and let me just cross the browser, sorry, the window. Okay, now let's go to the home page and I will show you what is nested menu. So let me just click on this inspect and let me just choose the Galaxy Mobile. Now once you click on this, this shows this plus icon, right? If there is if you delete that code, there will be no plus icon of this, and all the primary menu will be like expanded, and it will be all over to your screen. So you just have to scroll down and down and down to see all of these menu items. Okay, so make sure you won't delete that because that's very important for your website. All right, so now we are in the home page, and these are the basic settings. You can change it from yourself, like to change this. These are the Divi builder, like the normal Divi builder, and this won't have different settings that I have to tell you. All right, one thing you have to notice that this contact form is having the full width button, right? So now this is done by a custom CSS, so you don't have to worry about it. If you don't want this, you can delete the custom CSS from appearance, theme editor. Now let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so now let me just click on this, and you have to go to the appearance and then theme editor, and then you will find some CSS over here. So every CSS have this comment, so you can read this, and according to that you can change whatever you want. So home page, and then under home page we have these primary menu drop down, again drop down. So these are the menu items, and this, yeah, here it is. So contact form button full width, right? So if you don't want this full width button, you can just delete all this thing, because this is for mobile and this is for the desktop and maybe tablet version. Yeah, tablet version, and you can delete this, so there will be like a normal small button of the contact form. Okay, now let's go to back to the home page, and I will show you other things as well. Now these are the basic Divi builder modules and sections and rows. So you just have to you can do that by your own, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, so this is the slider, so don't yeah, this is the normal slider. You can edit that on your own. This is the blog module. This is the normal call to action, I think. Yeah, I guess. And this is the footer. Okay, now let's go to the footer, and I will show you how you can edit this footer. So same thing like we did for header, same thing for the footer. You have to go to this Divi and then click on this theme builder. Once you are here, now for this time you have to click on this global footer pencil icon. Okay, now once you click on this, this will load for a bit, and it will show all of this footer. So this is also a footer. To make if you want to edit this, you just have to click on this, like you have to come to footer, and you can do that from here. Now same thing like we did for header. This is the blurb, and you can do that from here, the title, the paragraph, and this link is over here. Okay, now same thing for email us and our address. Now this thing, so if you want to change this timing of your working hours of your business, so you can do it from here. Okay, now the next thing is this find us here. So if you want to change this, this will be something like you have to first you have to search for your address. So for example, I will search Kanpur, the city where I live. So this is the Kanpur, and you just have to click on this map. So once you're in the maps, then you have to click on this share. Now once you click on this share, it will give you a send a link or embed a map. So you have to click on this embed a map and then copy the HTML. Once you copy the HTML, you have to come over here and make sure to learn this width is 600 and height is 200, because the default one is different. Okay, now once you paste it, you can see this is 450 and you have to change it to 200. Okay, now this seems pretty well. Okay, yeah, this looks perfect. Now let's save it, and you can change the footer like a copyright credential or something like that. Copyright credential or something, you can do it from here. Okay, now if you want to change the link for this privacy policy, you just have to click on this, and once you are here, you just have to click on this link. This is handcuffs, something like that. Okay, now you click on this, and this is the URL which you have to change to like whatever you want. Okay, now let's click on this. Okay, and once you're done, you can just save it. So now we are done with the footer, and then now let's move to the another part of the website. I think you can do all of the pages because I don't think there are much CSS or difficulty, but yeah, we will see if there is any, and I will tell you definitely. Okay, these are the basic modules without touching the CSS. We have done this, all of these stuff. Okay, now let's go to the other specialty. Okay, this is the same page. Okay, now let's click on this services and see how it looks like. Yeah, one more thing in the about us page, once you are in the about us page, you click on this meet our team, and this will scroll to that particular section. Now how does this happen, like how this is happening actually? Yeah, right. Okay, so for this you have to do is enable the visual builder in the new tab, because I have to go to the menu as well to show you how you can do that. Okay, now once you are here, okay, now for example, just take it that this is the section of Y choosers. So you have to click on the settings, section settings, and then go to the advanced, and then CSS ID and classes. So whatever the ID you put over here, for example, I already have the choose, but for example, if I put Y choose us like this, now you have to copy this and then go back to the menus, and then here is the Y choose us, but make sure this is the custom link you can get from here. For example, I will just put this over here and link text whatever you want to write, so Y choose us. And now this is not the perfect one, so you have to put the hashtag before the Y choosers or before text starts. And now copy all this link, or sorry, copy this about us link from here, and then you have to paste it over here. So now first the domain name, which ends over here .com, and then this slash about us, like which is the page, and then our CSS ID, which is hashtag Y-choose us. Now once you are done, you can click on this add to menu, or if you want, you can change it from here. Now if you see, we are having all of this curex.com, curex.duogeeks.com. so this is the primary domain, and then we have this page permalink, and then after that we have this hashtag choose. That means this is the CSS ID. Okay, now I think you get my point. Okay, now let's leave this, and I won't save it because this is the live version, and I don't want to edit this one. Okay, now let's go to the main home page. Okay, now let's go to the services page, and we'll see if there is anything that I have to tell you. Okay, now these are the basic normal links, read more, and this is the slider that we are using on home page as well, and this is the block section. Okay, now this is the footer. Okay, now let's go to the single services page. So all the single services page are same, so I will just browse the one, and if there is anything I will tell you, otherwise we will go to the next page. Okay, this is the contact form. We are having the full width, so don't worry about that. If you don't want, you can just state from the CSS ID, sorry, custom CSS. Okay, now let's move to the blog and see how it looks like, or if there is anything I have to tell you. No, everything is there are not much CSS Yeah, but the site looks great. You know. Okay, I think this is fine as well. Okay, this is the same page. I'm opening twice. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now let's go to the grid right sidebar. Yeah, and now this thing have the CSS, custom CSS. Now, if you see the right sidebar, there are the widgets, and if you go to the appearance and then theme editor and in the CSS, then you will see there are some code for the widget. So this is the lightbox, this is the 404 homepage, no. We have to go to the gallery page, no. Portfolio page, no. Portfolio filter styling, no. Sidebar, yeah. So here it is, sidebar search styling. So here is the search. If you want to change the color of this search background, then what you have to do is you have to change the color. Okay, yeah, so here is the search button and here is the background color. So for example, if I put okay, just let me just copy it, and if I put 0000000, sorry, 6 times. Okay, now let me just save it. So what it shows is the black color. Okay, alright, so as you can see over here, now the search background is the black color. Okay, now if you want to change the color, now I think you should, now you get the point how you can do that. Okay, so this is the search button and this is the background color, and you have to just paste the hex code over here, or you can also paste the RGBA code, and you have to update the file. Once you update this, then you just have to refresh this page and it will be done over here. Okay, now this seems perfect. Now this about me, so let's see if anything is there or not. Search input field background color. So this is the search input field. If you want to change this color, then you can do it from here. This is the background color. And about image at sidebar, so border radius, that means the image will be circle. If you don't want the circle image, like the you can just delete this border radius and there will be no circle, so it will be square. Okay, now let's move to the next categories. Recent post at sidebar, category styling. Yeah, so background color is here, padding is here. Padding is like spacing inside this border. So from top there is 5 pixels, I guess. Yeah, so from top 5 pixel, left 15, 5 from bottom, and right side 15 pixels. Border radius, that means the the curvedness, which is over here. So the curvedness is called the radius. So border radius is 3 pixels. Width is 100%. Recent post at sidebar. Okay, let me just make this recent post. Okay, now recent post is over here. What's that code is about? So font size is 15 pixels and font weight is bolder. Now if you don't want this to be bold, then you can change it from here. You can just it can be bold or semi bold. There is no semi bold. Okay, so if you want, you can just write the numbers as well. So 500 or 600, you can test whatever you want. Okay, now for example, for now I will just leave it to bolder. Okay, now display flex is for like in one line there will be only one thing, otherwise this October 7 date is going after this one, so that makes pretty weird thing. Okay, let me just update the file and let's just refresh the page. So yeah, everything looks okay to me. Perfect. Okay, now this is the pagination. So now if you want to change the color of this pagination, what you have to do is blog page pagination is here. Now if you want to change the color of the background, here is the background color. And okay, this is the active page number styling. So this is the active page background color, and if you want to change the other color, for example this gray color, then you can do it from here. So for now it's F7. You can change it to your color. All right, so now let's go to the next thing, which is Yeah, in the blog everything should be same, so full width there will be no problem. Yeah, everything is okay. I don't think there is any problem. Okay, now let's move to the gallery, and if you want to change the gallery pagination, which is over here, you can do it from the from over here, gallery page. So pagination styling, no top border, border top 0, active pagination, default pagination. So mainly I think what you have to do, or what you would like to do is the background color, hover color, and this black color and white color. So mostly you would like to change this only. I'm pretty sure about this. Okay, and you can do that from the you just have to find this background color. Okay, this is the default pagination. Okay, now this is the background color. Okay, change this. Okay, this is the active pagination, and this is the background color. You just have to change this. Okay, now I think this is the pretty easy for you to now change the code for background color and the text color. Oh, okay, the text color you can do it from here. Color is color means the font color, background color means the background color. Okay, now let's move to the next thing, which is portfolio. So portfolio is also similar to the gallery page, but yeah, there is one more thing, which is this animation, or maybe transform, transition, something like that. So what if you don't want this image comes out, you can delete from here. So okay, where we are. Okay, pagination, no, 3 column, portfolio, no, portfolio filter styling, portfolio hover state. Yeah, so here it is, portfolio hover effect, rotate and scale. So now if you want to change this, you can just delete this transition and this transform. So in the normal state there will be no transform, but once you hover, it will scale at 1.3 and rotate 5 degree. Okay, so if you don't want, you can just delete from here to here. Just delete this and there will be no transition, no transform. All right, now this is the pagination. You can edit this from here. Where this, yeah, pagination styling. Now this is the default pagination, F7, 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 active pagination 2EA, 6 F5. Okay, now let's move to the next section. Okay, yeah, this is the filter. So if you want to change the color of these, you can do it from over here, portfolio filter styling. So default will be this color will like this is the color of font. Okay, so FD yeah, this orange color, and once you hover over it, color becomes the, what's that color name, I don't know, maybe blue, or light blue, light green, something like that. Okay, yeah, something middle of blue and green. Okay, now this is the hover state. Active tab is color white and background color is rather blue or green, not sure, sorry. Okay, now I think you can do that on your own. Okay, if you have any problem, you can always contact me via support@duogeeks.com, or you can contact me, or you can just write the comment in the comment section and I will reply to that simply. Okay, now let's go to the next page, which is 404 page. And once we are in the 404 page, it seems this is the normal page. You can edit this page from the theme builder, which is over here. So you just have to click on this theme builder and you can do it from here. So what you have to do is click on this edit custom body, and then you can do it from here. So this is the basic simple Divi builder, and you can do that on your own. Now let's go to the testimonials page and see how it looks like, or how you can edit that testimonial. Yeah, everything is basic over here. You don't have to you don't have to edit any code or something like that, so you just don't have to worry about it. Okay, now let's go to the FAQ page and see how it looks like, or how you can edit this page, or if there is anything that I can tell you about this. I don't think so, because this is also seems okay, seems good to me. Yeah, now let's go to the contact page and see if there's any custom CSS or anything that needs the customization from my side. I don't think so, because already I have told you about this, and yeah, this one as well, support contact form as well. Okay, I think that's fine. Now what is left is the theme builder, which is the most important and the confusing part of this whole theme, or the Divi actually, because I don't have introduced this theme builder, Divi did. So actually, yeah, Divi. Now this is now if you want to edit this this meta text or this title text, from where you can do that, you must have a question about this, right? And all of these settings. Okay, now to edit this, you have to go to the theme builder and you have to click on this custom body of this all post. Now once you click on this all post custom body, then you will be redirected to this kind of this kind of single blog post page. Okay, now if you want to edit the title, so this will be a dynamic title, so you have to edit this title in the all post in the dashboard or in the WordPress. Then whatever you publish that post, whatever the title will be of your post, that will come over here. So that's why it says your dynamic post title will display over here. Okay, this is the meta text which you can edit. So if you don't want the comments, you can click on this elements, and I don't need comments. Oh no, I don't want to show the date. Oh no, I don't want to reveal my privacy, so please don't show me. A category? No. Yeah, something like that. So everything you can delete or everything you can have. I think yeah, that's okay. Okay, now this is the dynamic image again. So whatever the featured image you have in your post, that will come over here, which is this one for in my case. Okay, now the next thing is the post content. So obviously this will be changed as per your post content. So you can do that in the Gutenberg of WordPress. You don't have to come to Divi Builder and then Okay, now if you want to change this text, so you can do it from here, because this is normal Divi text module, and this is the related post. So I think yeah, this is not the related post, but if you want to make this related post of the current category, so you have to just tick mark this current category, and this will only show only those posts which are related to that category. All right, so now let's go to the comments, and I hope this is also fine. This won't, yeah, that's fine. That's okay. That's okay to me. This is normal Divi. Okay, now let's just close this one. And what else do we have? All author pages. So yeah, once you are here, someone clicks on this Lavish, which is me obviously, and this is the author page. So if you want to edit this, same thing applies to all the other pages, like this this all post, all author pages, all category pages, all projects, search result, yeah, everything, yeah, all of those are same. So already the video have passed the 30 minutes of duration, and I don't want to make this so long, so because that makes boring and things get weird or worst. I'm not sure. Okay, so I think you like this video, and if you have any question or problem with your child theme, if you want to edit the child theme but you are having problem, you're having trouble, you can always contact me. I will be there. I have a record of 1 hour and sometimes 2 hour of response time. So you don't have to worry. You can just go to my website diviawesome.com, and at the right bottom you will find contact us, and you can contact me from there. You can directly contact me on Messenger as well from there. Yeah, contact us using contact us button. And if you want to contact me via email, support@duogeeks.com. I will put the email in description as well. Okay, what else? Okay, yeah, you can contact me in the comment as well. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment and I will reply to that. Okay, I hope you guys liked this child theme, and if you did, please also like the this video, and for more such videos, please do subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and thank you very much for watching.